आपने कहा आपके राइट में इस तरफ। हाँ, मेरा सवाल है कि आपने कहा आपने इमरान की सारी फिल्में देखी हैं और हर फिल्म आपको भाती ही भाती है। कौन से ऐसे गुण हैं इनके फिल्मों के जो आपको काफी पसंद आए?
देखिए, जो जिसके लिए ये फेमस जो कहा जाता है ये तो है उसके वो तो आप ले हटा नहीं सकते। जैसा कि मेरे जो तीन इवेंट्स हैं जो आपने बताया लाइफ के, तो उनके साथ भी एक जुड़ा हुआ इवेंट है। बट लेकिन मेरे ख्याल में इनका रुतबा हो जाएगा ये फिल्म के बाद, जहाँ तक कि ये मेरी सोच है।
इमरान जब शॉट्स की बात याद आती है आपको, तो कौन सा फेवरेट शॉट है आपका जो अजहर भाई का काफी पसंद है आपका लाइफ में?
डेफिनेटली लाइक लांस ही होगा। और क्योंकि इनके जो रिस्ट हैं दे ऑलमोस्ट लाइक रबर, बहुत ही फ्लेक्सिबल हैं। और जो पहली चीज़ मैंने फेस की जब मैंने प्रैक्टिस शुरू किया, बिकॉज आई वेट ट्रेन अलॉट, मेरी रिस्ट हिल ही नहीं रही थी। एंड देन ऑफ कोर्स मैंने वेट ट्रेनिंग भी छोड़ दिए, and we have been rigorously training with yoga to get there to the point. Obviously I won't be as good as Azhar Bhai by the time the film starts, but I have to look that. I have to be and portray a character and show जब मैं फील्ड पर उतरूंगा और जब शॉट मारूंगा तो आपको लगना चाहिए वो हेलमेट के पीछे अजहर हैं। So that is it will be a battle won.
और एक ही साल में 2 फिल्में आएंगी, लाइक धोनी पे भी बायोपिक बन रही है, आपकी भी फिल्म 2016 में ही आने वाली है। तो कुछ देखते हैं, कंपटीशन होगा, तुलना होगी।
पता भी नहीं था कि दूसरी फिल्म के बारे में मुझे पता भी नहीं था। मुझे पता है कि अजहर आ रही है 13 मई को, दूसरी फिल्म के बारे में पता नहीं मुझे।
Azhar bhai, hi, this side. On your left, Azhar bhai. On your left, yeah. Faridun from Bollywood Hungama, a huge fan of yours. We just prayed for you when you played the third test match against England, when you made the third 100 on trot, and that was history. Your fielding was amazing, your batting was really classy, and extremely simple person. But somewhere when the entire match fixing broke out, it was like I as a fan was totally heartbroken, and somewhere many still disbelieve that something of this sort happened. So what sort of element do we see of the match fixing angle in the movie, sir?
I think it's very hard for me to say about it right now, because I think once you watch the film, once the film is made, I think you will get a better perspective about that. So I don't think at this point of time I need to say that. But answering your question, you've been a very big fan. Thank you very much. And nowadays, whenever I go out, people don't remember my batting. They always say that Sadar Sahab aap bahut अच्छे fielder थे. So I just remind them as batting भी अच्छा करता था.
Imran, what sort of discussions have you had with Mr. Azharuddin for just preparing for your character?
I've troubled him a lot. जब हमने actually we started off in January and we started training in cricket, and the first day we started training on the turf. He obviously corrected everything about what I was doing. I was completely all over the place. My footwork was not right. I was swinging the bat around. I was pretty much not connecting with the ball. And then he actually came up and he held my hand and the bat and he showed me where I should be putting my feet. And I kind of froze for like a couple of seconds. I was like, this is, I'm blessed. Like, I'm being trained by the best batsman in the world. And I was like an average player in school. So this is a dream come true for me. But I have, you know, even the questions that I had to ask him, in some way, even if they are not visible in the film, in that sense, in a 2-hour film, they just take for me to understand the background of the character. And I formulated 100 questions that I wanted to ask him. And he was very sporting to have answered all those questions. It's as much as which foot did he first put on the field when he stepped on it. So there was also these things that will come out. Why did he put his collar up? You will not know the answer of that till you watch the film. So there are a lot of things that will have to be answered in the film. I can't really answer it right now, but all these 100 questions will answer those, answer.
The body language of Azharuddin is very important. The way you're walking in the teaser that you're seeing from behind, it's exactly reminiscent of the way Azharuddin used to walk.
Yeah.
He has a very typical way, the way he used to walk.
Yes. The best compliment was his son right now. He just said, was dad shooting? Did dad get the shot?
Have you shot for it, by the way, Mr.
Well, you'll have to ask Tony that. It was me, and it took a hell of a lot of prep for everything. And now it's also the prep for the shoot. Getting into the scenes is obviously much more demanding than just a teaser. So we're all very nervous, but extremely excited. And I believe it's those films where you're very nervous and anxious because of